We got a great new project on the line. Take a look at what we have in store for you. Cameras, thanks for tuning in to Metal Manglers. We're excited about this. This is our latest project that you're going to be able to follow along as we build this. It's going to be a multi-part video series as we take this bare chassis that you see here, build it into a competitive dwarf car. This is one of the top-of-the-line chassis out there. This is the DNR. This is what they call a bread truck style chassis because it has the rear body that's kicked all the way to the back, along the lines of a sedan delivery. And that gives it a little bit of an advantage with side force, a little bit of aerodynamics. This chassis is unique. It's one of one. It's what we call a Gen 3 because there's some controversy in the rules. When DNR first designed these cars, they had an offset frame rail to the left, gives the driver a little bit more elbow room, a little bit of safety. And there was some controversy in the rules over that. And in response, DNR came out with this straight rail design where the frame rail was straight on the left side. And then after this car got built, they changed the rules to allow the offset chassis. I'm not going to get into the politics of that, but that's what makes this car one of one. So you'll be able to follow along as we take this thing, like I said, from a bare chassis to powder coat to interior sheet metal to body work, put the drive line in, front suspension, rear suspension. We're going to try to get a quick change rear end for this, which is unique to us. We've been running Toyota rear ends so far. But let me show you something on the other side that you'll be able to see because the body's off on this car and you don't get to see too well. You see we've got custom stands to roll the thing around the shop to help with the assembly. So this is the drive shaft tunnel down through here. The motorcycle engine has an adapter to a traditional automotive style drive shaft that goes down the right side of the driver to an offset rear differential. And like I said, most of these cars run either a Toyota or a quick change. We're going to try to get a quick change for this car just because it's where we think the sport is going. And you can see some of the suspension adjustment points on here to make this car multi-adjustable to adjust for track conditions. The shock location on this car is adjustable front to rear. You can put the shock in front of the rear differential or in front and back of the rear differential. You've got a weight bar back here to distribute weight towards the rear. We'll fill this with lead or something else to make that happen. As you can see, the body's all attached with Zeus panels. Quick take off and put back on for fast service when we're racing. You see the all steel plate down underneath for driver protection. If you got any other questions about this car or any suggestions on things you want to see, drop them in the comments. If you want to sponsor us a quick change rear end, drop that in the comment. Stay tuned. This is an exciting project. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed that video. Stay tuned. This is going to be a multi-part series showing this car coming from beginning to end. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content comes out. We thank you for your support. We really appreciate where this channel is going and we couldn't do it without you.